is a difference between you and me. We both looked into the abyss. But when it looked back at us, you blinked.
Randomly got inspired to do a teardown today. So let's tear down these Air 3S Pros. See if we can't see what makes them tick. And hopefully get it back together without messing them up too bad. So there's two little screws right here at the front base of the lens. And those appear to release this. Looks like there's a couple more screws inside here, but these are just normal Phillips head type screws. Okay, my ADHD strikes again. I have no idea where my iFixit kit went, but it looks like I can just sort of push this out. There's some clips unclipping, hopefully, not breaking. And then this whole thing just comes apart. It doesn't look like the clips broke. Pretty crazy looking. Looks like there's some screws in here that I could use to take apart. I'm really wondering if I can get this like mounted in something else. Let's find out. Okay, that got the arms off. Now, can we disconnect these like a little Lego? And then this likely pops off as well. Trying not to sacrifice my ribbon cable. Now, I am not qualified to be teaching you how to take these apart and put back together, so don't take this as that. This is just me exploring. Looks like there was glue holding this together, so the likelihood of me getting it back together is pretty low. So this looks like it's all just for the speaker and buttons. So if I could get the glasses to the setting that I want before I disconnect this, maybe it would be good to go. I don't need speakers, I don't want to hear it. But will it still run without it is the question. See, just a little ribbon cable that kind of holds that. Battery is gonna die. So I might have to switch you guys over to the phone, which honestly I probably should have been using from the beginning. And maybe once I lift this piece out, it'll let me lift that out as well. If anybody has a guess as to what I'm trying to do with this, now's your chance. Don't skip ahead. If I even get that far to the point where I can do it. I have shown what I'm going to try it with though. Okay, so this is thermal for this chip. I need to not mess that up. Connects to this, and that's where the USB charger goes. Oh, there was one more screw here, that's why it didn't come out. Just literally laying this. Won't probably be able to use the screws at all on where I'm putting it. I'm not super worried about losing them, but I do want to keep this all intact. A little bit of adhesive holding this strip down, and then USB-C cable comes away. Okay, so this is not just speaker, so I need this board. And with this board, it will probably work without being connected to the speaker or the buttons. And then I can likely remove that one as well. After this one, these glasses are going to die, so I'll have to switch you guys over to the S3 Pros, I believe. So I think by connecting, I can actually unplug this so I don't like fry something shorting it. Connecting that. But let's see if we can't make the Batman edition that we deserved. Now, what is the best way to mount this in here? I just need some 3M or something on the corners right here. Wonder if I can remove this and the left one. Now it looks like I could remove the bird bath optics, but I think it's going to get flimsier if I do that. So I want to leave the structure here because this is not going to like bend and break. Now I just need like some 3M or something to hold it in. I think this is from one of my dash cam videos, so if you're in the market for a dash cam, definitely go check that out. Okay. Okay, I think I figured out where it's going to install. I'm a little worried about how the image will look, but let's just go for it. Am I done? Okay, now I need to get this back on, line it up, snap it together like a little Lego, and then I'll probably have it go like up. I need a little bit more 3M. Guess I'm gonna hope that 3M is not conductive. Maybe it'll help transfer some heat. There's probably a better way to do this, but let's try this one. Now this one I'll probably want to go down because this is where the phone will connect. So snap it together like a little Lego, make sure the thermal pad is connected. See, now I wish I would have started with the Air 4 Pro instead of the 3S Pro. Ooh, if I remember correctly, this actually sits like touching my face. I don't want to do that. If I send it up, then I have a USB-C cable that's just like up. I think for now, I'm just gonna go with up. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but right now I'm definitely in my pocket TV. This is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take this off and show you guys. Okay, so here's the finished product. There we go. She's still working. Both eyes, just for good measure. All right, that's it. You officially found the nerdiest video on the Informal Tech YouTube channel. Definitely appreciate you guys sticking around for this one. Hit the like button if you like this one. Hit subscribe if you want to see some more random tech videos like this one. But I definitely was just starting an informal teardown and decided to turn it into an informal Batman build. So definitely thanks again for sticking around. If you want to pick up your own official Batman edition, the RayNeo Air 4 Pro has a collaboration with DC Comics. You can check that out on their website. Use code INFORMALTech to save 10%. If it's sold out on the website, definitely check
Amazon as well, because last I saw they still had some stock, but the stock does keep coming back on the website. So definitely check there first. But if you guys use that code, it definitely supports the channel, so I appreciate it a ton. It allows us to make some awesome videos like this one, for example. But we do have a 2,000 subscriber giveaway coming up once we hit 2,000 subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, definitely hit that button. My name is Connor. This is where the Informal Tech Reviews live, and we'll see you guys next time. All right. Peace.